Scott here from Cortex. Today we're going to learn how to change the camera settings of FPS, frames per second, bitrate, bitrate control, video quality. It will help speed up your NVR and help with bandwidth not enough. First, we're going to log in to the NVR. Once we're on the main menu, we're going to go to record and encode. At the top, you'll see your selections for your menu. We are on the mainstream. There is also substream. We're going to change the mainstream. We're going to change all the cameras at once by going to the down arrow for FPS to change the frames per second to 15. Bitrate control, it's set to constant bitrate right now. We're going to change it to VBR for variable bitrate. Quality, we're going to leave at higher. If it's not, we will change to higher. Bitrate, we will change from the 4098 that it's on to 2048 and hit apply. Hit OK, and then on the substream we're going to change the resolution. We're going to change the resolution to 640 by 480, frames per second to 10. Bitrate control, we're going to change to VBR. Quality to higher. Bitrate we will leave at 1024. Hit apply. Hit OK. And that will help speed up the NVR and also with the bandwidth not enough. Thank you. Have a great day.